Hey everyone, welcome back to English Conversation Hub. In today's video, we're taking a trip down memory lane with a heartfelt and relatable English conversation between two friends. They talk about how happy and carefree life was as kids, and how much things have changed since then. So grab a coffee, sit back, and enjoy this nostalgic conversation.
You ever miss being a kid? All the time, man. Life was so easy back then. Wake up, eat cereal, play outside all day, no stress, no bills, no responsibilities. Right? I remember during summer break, I'd wake up, grab Pop-Tarts, and head out on my bike till it got dark. Same. And our only rule was, be home before the streetlights come on. That was our version of a clock. Huh, exactly. And remember how epic it felt when you finally learned to ride your bike without training wheels. Oh yeah. That freedom. I felt like I could go anywhere, like a mini road trip around the block. And little things made us so happy. Like getting a Happy Meal or saving up to buy a comic book. Totally. I had a collection of Spider-Man and Batman comics. I'd read them a dozen times and still be pumped. Dude, I was all about X-Men. I even made my own superhero name. Laser Hawk. Don't ask me why. Haha, that's awesome. I think mine was Captain Ice. I thought freezing powers were cool, literally. Man, Saturday morning cartoons were the best. That lineup on TV was sacred. Yup. I'd be up by 7 a.m., cereal in hand, watching Pokemon, then flipping to Cartoon Network for some Looney Tunes. And don't forget Toonami in the afternoons. Dragon Ball Z marathons. I lived for those. Absolutely. And after cartoons, we'd head outside. No phones, no schedules. Just whatever game we made up. Kickball in the cul-de-sac, hide and seek, flashlight tag after dark, pure fun. And somehow, we never got bored. We'd do the same stuff every day and still be excited. I miss that. The imagination we had back then was off the charts. We'd turn a cardboard box into a spaceship or a fort. Right? And we could play for hours with a stick and a rock and call it magic sword and energy crystal. And we believed it. No shame, no self-consciousness. Just fun. Now everything's gotta be productive. Even our hobbies feel like work sometimes. Seriously. And as kids, the biggest stress was like, getting caught not doing homework. Or forgetting your lunchbox and having to call mom from the school office. Haha, or getting in trouble for trading Pokemon cards in class. Oh man, remember recess? That was like the most important 20 minutes of the day. We planned it like a mission. Who's bringing the ball, who's claiming the swings? High-stakes stuff. And lunch. Trading snacks was an art form. You could get a cookie for half a PB&J if you negotiated right. Yup. I once traded a fruit roll-up for 2 pudding cups. Greatest deal of my childhood. Legendary. And when school supplies came out each fall. New folders, sharp pencils, that smell of new notebooks. The best. I actually looked forward to school just because of new stuff. I'd label everything like I was prepping for a major operation. I even had those cool gel pens. Thought I was so fancy. Huh, me too. Especially the ones that changed colors while you wrote. You know what I really miss? Just lying on the grass, staring at the clouds, and making up stories about what they looked like. Dude, same. That one's a dinosaur. That one's a pirate ship. And somehow, we all saw it. That pure imagination, gone now. I scroll social media instead of looking at the sky. And as kids, we didn't care what anyone thought. We wore whatever, said whatever. No pressure to be cool. Exactly. We danced like idiots, sang loud, and laughed like it was our job. Now, it's like if you take a break or have fun, you feel guilty. Yeah. Like you should always be hustling. Even rest has to be intentional now. That's the sad part. As kids, we lived in the moment. Now, we live for the weekend or the next vacation. Or the next paycheck. But those days, a popsicle on a hot day was happiness. So true. Just sitting on the porch with an orange creamsicle, no phone, no rush. Sometimes I wish we could go back, just for a day. No emails, no deadlines. Just be kids again. I'd give anything for that. Just one carefree day. Ride bikes, play ball, eat junk food. Honestly, maybe we should try it. Take a day off, do a nostalgia weekend. No screens, no adulting. Dude, that would be amazing. Like a mini throwback retreat. We can grab old board games, find an arcade, maybe even watch VHS tapes if we can find a player. Yes. And eat cereal for dinner. I'm talking Lucky Charms, no shame. And order pizza just because. With extra cheese and a soda. Like we used to. Let's do it. We might not be kids anymore, but we can borrow the joy for a little while. Honestly, we need it. Life moves fast, and sometimes it's good to slow down and remember what happy used to feel like. Amen to that. Thanks for the talk, man. I didn't even realize how much I missed all this until now. Same here. Let's make that nostalgia weekend happen. It's a deal. Let's bring a little childhood magic back, one game of tag at a time.
If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more engaging conversations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and take care.